In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple and quick chicken recipes that's high in protein, high in flavor, and relatively low in calories. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you new around here, firstly, subscribe. But apart from sharing diets, workout tips, and transformation stories, we also share some quick, delicious Indian recipes, and today is no different. In this video, I'm gonna go over 3 simple but delicious chicken recipes that you can have for lunch, for dinner, as a post-workout meal, as a pre-workout meal, whatever works for you. So if you are ready, go ahead and give this video a like, and let's get started with the first recipe, which is this tasty chicken roll. To make it, add 150 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl. Make sure you trim the fat off first wherever you can. Then to that, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, and finally 1 tablespoon of non-fat yogurt. Mix well and set aside for a few minutes. Cook the chicken on medium flame until it's well done. Then to a normal sized whole wheat roti, spread 10 grams of light mayo or eggless mayo along with 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Add the cooked chicken along with a few onions and 28 grams of reduced fat cheese, and there you have it. A high protein and tasty chicken roll is ready within minutes. This is about 400 calories, of which 28 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 44 grams are protein. Moving on to recipe number 2, which is this mouth-watering chicken egg fried rice. To make it, add 400 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl with the fat trimmed off wherever possible. To that, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. On medium flame, coat the pan with some cooking spray and cook the chicken. Once it's fully done, set aside. On another pan, add half a tablespoon of oil, a small onion, and cook till it turns golden brown. Next, add a small bowl of mixed veggies along with half a teaspoon of salt and saute till the raw smell of the veggies fade. Then add 2 whole eggs into the mixture, and once it's cooked, add the chicken along with 300 grams of cooked white rice. To this, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, this is totally optional, and 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Give it all a good mix. Divide this entire recipe into 2 servings and finally top it off with some fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it. Each serving is about 590 calories, of which 57 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 51 grams are protein. Moving on to the third and final recipe, it's this delicious chicken tandoori sandwich. To make it, add 150 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl. Again, make sure you trim the fat off wherever you can. To that, add half a tablespoon of non-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala, some salt, pepper, and finally a bit of lime juice. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. Next, cook the chicken on medium flame until it's well done. Take 2 slices of bread. Each of these are 60 calories per slice. Spread some green chutney on one side, fill it with half of the cooked chicken, and top it off with 15 grams of reduced fat cheese. Cover it and lightly coat both sides with a bit of butter. Toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides, and there you have it. Make another similar sandwich with the remaining chicken, and there you go. Your delicious chicken tandoori sandwiches are ready. This is a total of about 520 calories, of which 52 grams are carbs, 13 grams are fat, and 50 grams are protein. And there it is, 3 super easy and absolutely yummy chicken recipes that's high in protein and relatively low in calories. You can make all these dishes using chicken breasts as well. You're gonna get a bit more protein in them, but I personally love chicken thighs, which is why I use them all the time. But yeah, guys, do try the recipes out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.